So hi guys, today we'll see about another Java program that is calculating the area of rectangle. So calculate the area of rectangle. So we have a formula, so how you are going to apply that is in a programming. So what is the formula is for rectangle is length into width. So rectangle, your width into what you are going to check for the length. You can say height also. So how you are writing? Before that we'll save the program. So file, save. So where I am saving in what? I have created a folder with my name. In that I am saving my programs. So it should be what same as my class name. First we will create a class here. So class I have created class. So for that I need to give a name. So we'll give directly area of a rectangle. So it should not be complicated, but we'll give a proper name. So for that I am used for area of rectangle here. So class name. So this class name should be what my file name. So now we'll save it. Save. So it's showing in my folder. So just give the extension of a Java. So just give an extension of Java, that is .java. So save it. So now it's showing in a different color. So now I need to, so I have given this name as a file name. So for that I need to include what main method here. So public static void main. So it's going to have a array data of type of string. So it is have a data type string, array of type string data. So it has again body. So all the processes you are going to do in a main method. So whatever you are going to calculate, that should be in what main method. So first I need taking your length and what your width from what a user. So for that I need a scanner class object. So for that I need to import the class here. Just import scanner class. Where it is present? It is present in a java.util package. So util package. So if you directly give a semicolon here, so whatever the class is present in your util package, those you can use directly. So even if I give a semicolon, if I create an object of scanner problem, there is no issue. But why to use all the classes? Why to make all the classes available? So what I need exactly, I need only a scanner class. Just specifically mention whatever the things you want to use from your util package. Just I want to use a scanner class. So now we are declared it. Now I can use a scanner class. So first I need to create a object of scanner class. So how you are going to create? Using a new keyword scanner constructor. I am going to use constructor name is same as what class name. So class name is scanner and I have created a constructor with a parameterized constructor. What parameter I am passing? I am passing a system class in this. Yes. So that I need to store in one reference variable. So reference variable of class. This is scanner is a class. I am creating a reference variable SE. So this is the creation of your scanner class object. So now done. So you have created a scanner class object here. So using this one I can just get the data from the user. So what type of a data type you are going to use? You may use an integer. So your width and length may be in a points also. So better to use a double here. So for that I am using. First we'll give a statement here, system.out.println enter the length of rectangle. So first we'll read the length and then we're going to read what width of the rectangle. So now that I'm going to read in what double. So to read the double data, so you have a different method. So which method you are going to use? With respect to that, I am going to use a next double. So when you are reading an integer data, so you just use the next int. Same here, you are going to read the data and what type of a data you are going to use. I am going to use a data type as a double. So you have a next double method. So you are going to read and you are storing in what double variable. Double. So give a variable name as a length. Same. Just I need to read a width also. System dot out dot print ln. So next I need to give a statement is what? Enter the width also. So just enter the width of rectangle. Yes. So this is the statement we are giving for the user. So next read the width also. So width also I am just reading in a double. So just use double method here. Yes. So that you are going to store in what? Double variable. Double data type you are going. So what you are reading, proper variable name I am giving here. That is I am reading a width. Just I am giving a width as what? My variable name. So here I am read the length and here I read the width. So now we'll calculate here. So calculate area. So here I am doing a calculation. So how we are calculating? I need one variables. So we'll first write the formula. What is the formula? Length into width. So here it is indicating and here it is length is indicating. So this is what my formula. This whatever the calculation is done, that will be stored in one variable of type or double only. So you're reading all the data, like your length is in a double and your width is from a double. So now you are storing the data. Area is also what type for data type you are going to use, that is double. So take a one variable that I am just taking as what? Area. So just print it double. So now I am going to print a double here, the area of rectangle. So system dot out dot println. Just printing going to happen. Just because I calculated, I just read here. So we'll see one by one. So what happened in the statements? Area of rectangle is what? I'm just printing the area. So how you are printing? Just use a concatenation symbol. So area is going to display the value. So value you are concatenating it with the string. So this is over calculating the area of rectangle. So first input of scanner. What is the use of this statement? So this is for a user reference. What type of a program you are written. And second one, so this is for I'm getting the input from the a user. So for that I'm just importing a scanner class from a util package. Next I need to create a class. So this is the body of your class, and if you have given you have a main method. So every Java program starts its compilation from main method. So for that you declare the main method. It's going to handle an array of type of what type of a data? Of type string data. So next I've created an object of my scanner class here. It is necessary to get the input from what? User. Yes. So here is a spelling mistake, scanner. Yes. So done. So system.in is a variable it's going to handle. So it is for getting the data from the user. So he need to enter length only. So for that I am just specifying some statement here. So enter what? Enter a length here. So here I read the length in a double. So because it not be an integer, it can't be similar with the integer. So you are not giving integer type of a data. So better to use what? Double here. So double I am storing variable as a length. I am just reading a width here. Now user going to enter width. So storing in a width variable. Now we are calculating. So what is the formula of calculating the area of rectangle? Length into width. So that I am storing in a area as a variable, double variable. So just printing the your string with what your area. So we'll run this program. So to to just copy your file name. Sorry, so I need a command prompt again, so I have closed it. For this I need the address also. Just go to properties, you will get a partner. Just change it. cd, change the path, change the directory. So I am changing the directory to Vidya. Yes, it is changed now. So now I need to take a file name. So file name, class name both are same. So how you are compiling? I am using one command, that is javac, and paste your file name dot what extension. So have a error. Next double. Sorry, I am missing what. So where it is present, it is present as scanner class. So I need to use a object of your scanner class or reference variable. So then only I will get dot. So how many errors you will get from that you will learn more. So st dot next double. So this is now. We will compile it again. So now it is compiling perfectly. We'll run it. So java command and your file name. File name is what? Paste. So now enter the length. So length is will give 6.03. Enter the rectangle. Sorry, width I will give 4.555. See your double. So how many character you are going to get? How many numbers you are going to? That is double going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 digits after your partial parts. So this is what your double going to show the points also in calculating the area, rectangle area. So it is very important. So for that I am using a double. So area of rectangle is 28. So this is how you are calculating the area of rectangle. So hope you understood this one. So in next video we'll see another program of Java. Thank you.